Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Harry Viral. Today I'm here to show you how to change text in LinkedIn text font generator. So you can change your LinkedIn format, font, whatever you post, you can change it. So let's get begin. So first of all, you can go to your web browser and type here LinkedIn text generator. Just click here and you can choose anyone. I will go for this, and whatever you post you want to write, you can write here. For example, I have choose one post. I will copy it this much and copy this and post it here, and I'll paste it here, paste and enter. Now you will see you can get this text in different font and colors. So you can choose any one font. I will copy it and I can go here and post it here. If I want to post, just paste it. You can see the font are looking amazing. So in this way, with the help of this LinkedIn text generator, you can change text, font and style. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and thank you so much for watching this video.